How to make stickers on Snapchat from Camera Roll. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to make stickers on Snapchat from Camera Roll. The first step is to open or launch the Snapchat application, just like you can see here. Once you open it, you will land on the camera screen, which is the home page of the app. From there, make sure you tap on the Memories icon. It is this icon that appears here just below the camera button. Once you tap on it, you will land on this page here where you can access both your saved snaps and your camera roll. From the tabs at the top, make sure you tap on the one named Camera Roll. This is the section where all the photos from your device gallery are stored. Next, scroll through the images and select the one you want to use for creating your sticker. Once you have chosen the image, this will open the photo in the editing mode. Here you will see several tools that you can use to edit your image. From them, tap on the scissors icon, which represents the sticker tool. After tapping on it, outline the area of the photo you want to turn into a sticker by carefully tracing around it with your finger. Once you are done outlining, Snapchat will automatically save the selected part as a custom sticker. You can now use this sticker anytime while creating a snap. To use it, just open the sticker section when editing a snap, and you will see your custom sticker saved there. You can drag, resize, and place it wherever you want on your snaps. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to make stickers on Snapchat from Camera Roll.